Are you interested in working as a cleaner in the UK? The demand for proficient cleaners in the UK has been steadily rising due to a growing population.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
The job details include no specific minimum experience required, no specific educational requirement, no age constraints specified, and it is a full-time job. The benefits include job stability, competitive compensation, visa sponsorship, diverse work situations, flexibility, career progression, inclusive working environment. The average compensation is £11.14 per hour and 21,000 plus per year. Experienced cleaners earn 29,000 plus per year, while entry level earns 20,000 plus pounds per year. And your obligation as a cleaner is to perform general cleaning tasks such as sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, dusting, and surface polishing. You clean and sanitize toilets and maintain supplies, empty trash cans, and dispose of waste properly. The requirement also, everything has been mentioned. How to apply is that you submit your application. When you come to this website, you will see different opportunities here. You will see housekeeper, carriage cleaner. This one is night shift. You can see the details is 30 to 40,000 pounds per year. And the benefits: company pension, free or subsidized travel, gym membership. And the job description, the detailed job description is also here. Everything you have to do is here. This one is housing estate cleaner and gardener, and the pay is £25,000 a year. It is a full-time job. Shift, there is no weekend work. It is a Monday to Friday work, and the full job description is also here. You also see full-time living cleaner, housekeeper or cleaner full-time. Also filter your search based on location or full-time, part-time, or type of employment. So give it a try now, and I wish you success. Make sure you apply for as many as possible. For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.